In this video, we will discuss a very important concept in VLSI design, which is called pseudo NMOS circuits. So in pseudo NMOS circuits, the pull-up network is consisting of a single PMOS. So this is your PMOS, which is always connected to ground. So in this figure, I have shown how to design a inverter using pseudo NMOS. So this is a NOT gate using pseudo NMOS. So in all the pseudo NMOS logic circuits, the pull-up network consists of a single PMOS gate which is connected. So the gate terminal of this PMOS transistor is always connected to ground. You can see here also the gate terminal of this PMOS transistor is connected to ground. This is the gate terminal, this is the gate terminal, this is the gate terminal. Here also the gate terminal of this PMOS transistor is connected to ground. So this PMOS is always remains on. This PMOS will always remain on. This PMOS will always remain on. This PMOS will always remain on. So this is your NOT gate using pseudo NMOS logic. This is XNOR gate using pseudo NMOS logic, and this is NOR gate using pseudo NMOS logic. So the pull-up network consists of a single PMOS transistor whose gate is connected to ground. So gate potential is always 0, so this PMOS is always on. Then the pull down network will be like your traditional like in traditional CMOS. So this pull down network of this NOT gate consists of a single NMOS transistors. Here the pull down network consists of these two transistors, NMOS transistors in series, and these two NMOS transistors in series, and the whole combination is connected in parallel. So this A and B bar are in series, this A bar and B, they are in series and they both are in parallel. And in NOR gate, this A and B, they are in parallel. So what it does, it says the PMOS transistor area. So here we are using only one PMOS transistor. In normal CMOS logic, we would use 4 PMOS transistors, which will be complementary of this pull down network. So the pull up network is always complementary of pull down network in traditional CMOS design. So if we have to design this using traditional CMOS, then we will use 4 PMOS transistors. But in pseudo NMOS, we are using only one PMOS transistor. So the area of 3 PMOS transistors is saved here. If we have to design a NOR gate using traditional CMOS circuit, then we will have to use 2 PMOS transistors complementary of this pull down network. But here this pull up network consists of only one PMOS transistor. So the area of one PMOS transistor is saved. So pseudo NMOS logic will always save the area in pull up network. The area of pull up network is reduced. PUN is called as pull-up network. So pull-up network area is reduced using pseudo NMOS. When compared to traditional CMOS design. So this is about pseudo NMOS. So please like and share the video, and if you have any doubt, then you can post your comment in the comment box. Thank you and best of luck.